Hey, what is up, guys? Nando here, back with one more video, and this video is super late. OnePlus 5T is right here in front of us here today, and if you follow my channel at all, in a regular basis, then you know that I've had this phone for quite a while, basically since it's come out, and all I've done is an unboxing. I apologize to anyone else out there who is as frustrated as I am with my inability at this particular moment to bring you guys somewhat regular content like I used to. I kind of got carried away a little bit with life. I've had some other priorities I've had to attend to. Just know that if I go in these ruts where you guys don't see me post videos in a consecutive, I can't even speak today, in a consecutive basis, just know that I have every intention to do so. So just bear with me. The videos will come. And obviously I hope you guys get some value out of it. Regardless, I've got the OnePlus 5T here in front of me. I've got some phones off to the side there. Those are phones that I'm still going to be reviewing. The iPhone X, I still haven't done a final review. That's just to show you how far back I am. And then I got the Google Pixel 2 XL. So I'm definitely going to be doing some videos on those and some comparisons. But this video is going to be on the OnePlus 5T and a couple things to consider before I lead us into the final review, where I like to do likes and dislikes. So drop a like at any point if you appreciate or get any value of this video. There's a couple things with this phone in particular that I love, and a couple things about this phone that I need you guys to know. I'm sure you guys have done your reviews. I'm sure you guys have seen other reviews, read reviews, and this and the other. Everybody kind of focuses on different things. For me, the things that I love to focus on are battery life. Things I love to focus on are camera. Things I love to focus on are just user experience, the average user experience. And the OnePlus 5T does that. It nails that. One of my favorite things about this phone, guys, is the fact that OnePlus has incorporated a face recognition system. Now, this isn't nowhere as good in terms of reliability as the iPhone X, but in terms of speed, ease of use, and the fact that you're going to be able to unlock your phone probably 9 out of 10 times in the right conditions with this phone, I got to mention it because this phone's, I don't even think it's going to be able to recognize me behind the camera. Look, yep, see, look, all I had to do was kind of shift my head to the side a little bit, and it's, maybe I should take that comment back. It is that good. And sometimes you don't even need the perfect lighting condition. I'll tell you right off the bat where it's not good is in dark situations. If it's dark out, forget it. You're not going to want to use the face recognition thing. But if it isn't dark out, you're good to go. So the facial recognition on this phone is super fast, super accurate, other than if it's dark out. Second thing I need you guys to know is battery life. Battery life on this phone is absolutely amazing. Not only that, it comes with dash charging that we know and are used to from OnePlus. So 0 to 30 minutes in probably like 10 minutes. 0 to 30% in like 10 minutes, probably more, okay? So you can expect to never really need to charge this phone up to 100. If all you have are little moments of 10 minutes here, 15 minutes there, your phone is going to last you all day. However, if it does have a full 100% charge, then this phone's going to get you at least 5.5 hours of screen on time. That's what I've gotten. So there's that. The camera on this phone is very good. It's not great. It's not as good as the iPhone X. It's not as good as the the Google Pixel 2 XL. Obviously, this is a much cheaper phone than either one of those two. However, after those two, this camera right here is probably the best camera that's out there right now. It's that good. Software experience, you already know, pretty much a clean experience because it's Android with a little bit of Oxygen OS. That keeps it nice and clean. However, I wanted you guys to know that the facial recognition is fantastic. The battery life is outstanding. The rest of the phone, very small improvements, if any at all, from the OnePlus 5. The 5T is a bigger phone, slimmer bezels, 6 gigs of RAM, the one I have here, or you can guys go up to 8 gigs of RAM. I want to emphasize the 6 or the 8 because that's absurd, especially if you go 8. Only other phone out there right now, and I've done a review on, is the Razer. Razer's got 8. This one's got 6 or 8, depending on the storage. No expandable storage, but hey, you've got the fact of the 6 gigs or 8 gigs. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions on anything that you want me to look into for the final review, let me know in the comment section below. This was just a quick video on a couple things that I think you guys should consider, should know about this phone. I will definitely be coming at you with the final review here shortly. Like always, guys, it was Nando. I love you all. Stay geeky. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Salute. Ciao.